So my main area of concern was the top here, and it went all around to the temple. And then when I got the RestorInk procedure, and now my hairline is restored. So my journey with this whole hair loss, it started to happen when I was about 19 years old. I used to have long hair, thick hair, and when I started noticing that my hairline was receding and my hair was getting thinner, I felt like there was nothing I could do about it. So I chose RestorInk because once I noticed that my hair was thinning, I shaved my head, and I noticed that I had a good shaped head for that look. But you could also tell that the hair was thinning and there was patchy spots there. But when I got to RestorInk and I got the procedure done, it looked like my hairline was natural, and I love that look. So the whole RestorInk procedure took about 3 sessions to get the complete look. But after the first session, I noticed results immediately, and so did others. I already felt like I was gaining my confidence back, which I love. I would describe my RestorInk practitioner, Tina, as wonderful. She was so great to work with. I had a lovely time working with her. She's really fun, and she's very good at her job. She's amazing. My friends and family reacted. They were shocked. They could not believe that I now look 10 years younger. My male pattern baldness made me look like I was about probably mid-30s. I'm in my mid-20s, so now I feel like I am true to my age. To anybody who's on the fence about getting this procedure done, I am telling you, it is life-changing. You don't have to live like that anymore. You don't have to wear a hat, you can feel confident, you can feel like you truly are you. And that is like one of my favorite things about getting this done. One of the best things that I've ever done for myself is get this procedure done. I have my confidence back, my self-esteem is back. I feel like I am me again. And RestorInk has given me a part of my life back that I felt like I had lost.